Hi, I'm Helen Hansen, a wellness practitioner and kinesiologist from the Longevity Company. On the 4th of May, I'm going to be presenting a talk on mind-body connection at Soul Center in Woodstock. Now, different emotions and thoughts result in various experiences in our body. And this is equivalent of our mind-body communication. For example, when we are experiencing love, joy, or happiness, our posture is erect and our body feels comfortable, as opposed to when we're feeling angry, our muscles become tense and we feel the stress build up in our neck or our shoulders. When we're feeling sad, our posture becomes slumped and we move quite a bit slower. So our weaknesses as well as our strengths are displayed through our physical body, not only about our physical body, but also about what is going on internally, emotionally, as well as mentally. So come and join me on the 4th of May at Soul Center from 1 to 2 p.m. and I'm going to be sharing with you various experiences, exercises, and techniques that you can use at home very quickly each day to strengthen your mind-body connection, to make the most of your physical, mental, and emotional self. It's 80 Rand pre-booked, 100 Rand at the door. Please contact Tish at soulcenter.coza.